In the traditional AC panel, we have three sources of power: shore power, inverter, or generator, and depending which one you select, that's the power that you have in the AC panel. I select shore power. In this moment, the AC panel is receiving power directly from the shore power because you configure the switch selector or the breakers to provide power exclusively from that source. I turn off the shore power and turn on the generator starts, and I receive power here, only from generator. In other words, if this is off and this is off, for example, I am in this moment in shore power, and what about inverter and generator? They are off. And the boat is receiving power in the AC panel from shore power in this moment. Can I enter in the boat and work on the generator, start the generator and check the generator? Yes. The generator have one breaker in the output. I turn off that breaker. And additionally, this breaker is off. That's impossible that power enter here.
And if it is?
Okay, with that breaker off, I can do the service. And I can start that generator and verify if the output is good, 120, 120. However, the boat is running with shore power. Don't forget that. Because the breakers, this one, and the breaker on the back end is off. However, the new technology, the people want to eliminate the gasoline and diesel engines and the generators. And the people say, no, I don't want more diesel engine, Mr. Lopez. I want to replace my gasoline or diesel for an electric motor. And that electric motor, I hope that the motor receives power from a group of batteries. And that's it. I need that my boat operate with battery. I don't want more gas or diesel. And also, in my house, in my boat, I don't have more gas, more diesel. In my boat, I want AC panel and DC panel coming from, for example, this is my AC panel. I have lights, I have air condition, no? And I have DC panel here. I turn on the DC panel, and I have lights, I have outlets, I have everything, DC and AC. But I don't want motors with gasoline or diesel, and I don't want generators. In other words, I want to live exclusively from solar panels and windmills. That's full electric. Okay, my friend, it's a good idea. I like it. But I have a question. What happens when you have a glossy day with too much rain, the light is not good, and you live in your boat with your wife and 2 kids, no? Yes. My wife and 2 kids. And 1 week completely off. What happened with the battery bank?
It died.
Okay, in that case, that solution, full electric, in my opinion, is not good, no? Hey, my friend, I know that you are green, you eat only vegetables and
You look sick.
I have a question for you, my green friend. What happens if I install in your boat? I love your boat. It's full electric. I like it. Those propulsion system electric. Everything is electric. I love it. What happens if I introduce a small generator? Excuse me. Listen to me. Let me finish the explanation. Send a small generator in one corner, and that generator starts sporadically only when the level of batteries, the charge decrease 20%, and charge and start for 10 minutes and stop immediately. The purpose of that generator is what? Recharge the battery bank, and that's it. Excuse me, it's not to provide power for the house. It's not to, no. It's a small generator, chiquito, small, exclusive, to provide power for a battery charger, and the battery charger recharge that battery bank. And that's it. You are sleeping with your wife and your kids, and you hear that during the evening start 2 times for 20 minutes each time, and that's it. And when you wake up in the morning, how is the level of your battery?
Fully charged.
100%. Glossy day. No problem, because I have my small generator, and I spent in 1 week 1 gallon of fuel. This is dramatic with the environment. This is catastrophic for the environment, and it's good for you and your family. It's clear, my friends? This is, in my opinion, the perfect hybrid solution. Until this point is clear? Okay, however, in this solution, in this particular solution, you remember that one. Depending which one I select, I feed the panel with that one, exclusive. Oh, I want inverter, you turn off this and you turn on the inverter, and you have power from the inverter. Clear, guys? That depends of you. You go over there and you switch or you move it. Okay, here in this solution I have
Shore power. Generator.
And I have
Inverter.
Oh, I have the same. However, it's a little different. Let me explain why. I have exactly the same. But my AC panel here receives power always from this. My AC panel receives always power from the inverter. But this inverter is a smart inverter. You remember the previous one, the traditional inverter? The traditional inverter converts DC power into AC and send that power to the AC panel. Mr. Lopez, but that inverter, the old inverters, they say inverter / charger. Yes. Because that inverter internally have a small charger. And that small charger, when the inverter is not inverting, is not producing power, that charger receives power from one breaker in the AC panel. You remember? Activate the charger to keep the battery bank of the battery charger charged. But this inverter, a smart inverter, is different. Follow me, because that explanation is not easy, but is the key of that system. This inverter is equal to the traditional because receive DC power, convert into AC, and send the AC to provide power for the AC panel. That's okay? That until that point is equal to the previous one. However, this one have another input of AC. Look, other input of AC coming from this automatic transfer switch. The automatic transfer switch says, oh, I am receiving power from shore power, and receive power from shore power and send the power to the shore power. Pay attention. Send the power here. In this moment is activated the charger to recharge the battery bank, but some amount of power pass directly into the AC panel. You see, in this moment it's charging, it's not inverting. Some power is used to activate the battery charger and recharge the battery bank. And the extra power goes directly into the panel, and I have power here in the panel. It's clear, guys? The other one doesn't have that. If in this moment I disconnect this, immediately this element, pay attention, I have lights and air conditioner working, and it's not inverting. It's because some power passed directly here. If I disconnect this one, continue the power and pass to inverting. It's intelligent. Excuse me, if I don't have in this moment, when the level of the battery, because in this moment is inverting. What is the meaning of that? It's suctioning power from the batteries into the inverter and produce AC power. Everybody follow me? Okay, look. What happened when the level of charge in this battery bank decreased 25%?
The inverter kicks on.
Start the generator, the automatic transfer switch goes down, indicating that the generator power is entering, and send power here, and once again, recharge the battery bank and send power here. Oh wow, that's intelligent. That's different than this, because the AC panel depends on this, and this element is intelligent. This element says the battery bank is fully charged. Yes, it's fully charged. Okay, that power coming from the generator or shore power goes directly into the AC panel. Oh, the battery bank is discharged. Okay, some amount of power activates the battery charger to recharge the battery bank, and the rest goes into the AC panel. Oh, I don't have input from generator and input from or shore power, nothing. All the AC power for the panel will be produced from the battery bank, inverting. That's intelligent. This is the smart battery charger.